everyone, thank you guys again for joining me in another video. In today's video I am going to be planning the week of November, wrong week, November 4th through the 10th. Don't mind this, that says September. I thought I had switched that out when I was creating these, but apparently I did not. I'm just gonna remove my planner out of the way for now. I am actually gonna open it to my monthly because I think we have a couple things here. So this is my first time planning in a horizontal layout, and so all these inserts, most of these inserts that you will see me using with Plan With Me, the monthly and the hourlies and dailies usually are mine. I have a few that are from Jane's Agenda, but I will always let you know if they are mine or where they're from. So anyway, it's my first time using a horizontal layout that I created and using the Monsterz sticker kit. So I had originally planned that I thought I was going to use this one. This was from Planner Kate, and I love this thin washi that I wanted to include on here, but I really love this Monsterz one, and I just thought it was perfect for this, just to kind of get in. So I do not know how any of this will look and work. We'll just kind of go with the flow right now. Let's just go and start out with this. Do it here because there's not a lot of options when it comes to hers, but it's okay. So like I said, it is our first time using this, so obviously it's not going to be perfect, but I think I'm just going to try to cover that September the most that I can. And so the coffee Monsterz stickers are not removable like Planner Kate's are, so once it's down, it's down. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut this off. Yeah, I left a little bit right there. And I'll use this bigger one over here, but I don't know. I'm just gonna cut off from down here because if I cut on the top, I'm gonna cut off his head, and I don't want to do that. Okay. So note to self, those are a little too big, but it's okay. I don't have any date headers here, so we're not gonna do nothing there. Down here though, I'm gonna do what I would have normally done in my hourly, my sidebar. So I'm gonna put these down here so that those will be my to-dos for the week. This will be for dinners, and these will be our habit trackers. Okay, leave it like that. Don't do a lot of things on the weekend, so I will add this right over here, just like that. Ooh, it's looking nice. Okay, so try to see how they did. Oh, that works out so nice, so perfect. Like they align so nice. Okay, so I'm gonna do today, and I'm just gonna put this date header as my today or to do for work, and then my last blue one. Oh, but I don't need nothing for Saturday and Sunday. Normally I don't, but we'll just put it in there just cause for now. Oh yeah, okay, I'm liking that. That's looking nice. Oh, and I could have done also to do this week. I'm gonna do this week here. Actually, I'm put it in the bottom because I should have brought those down, but that's fine. She has this cute dinner one. Put it up there for now. Okay. I love these hat boxes and these ombre boxes. Oh, okay. This one, I don't have a bills or to pay or nothing like that, so I'm gonna add this one on Saturday, because like I said, we deposit his checks and all that. My kids are actually out of daycare now, so I don't have to worry about paying daycare, and the reason for that was because my husband works in concrete, like construction work. So his hours around this time reduce a lot, and for us it just kind of made more sense to pull the kids from daycare for now until he gets back to his normal schedule, because I'd rather have the kids stay with him when he's home than have them go to daycare. And obviously we can't really tell him in advance, like, and it all depends on the weather, honestly, really. If we have good weather and they're able to work out there, they will be working. But if it's super cold, like -degree weather, they're definitely not working out there. So I'm just pulling this Bills one, just to name that Bills. But I was looking for my, yeah, here we go, my Monsterz normally bill icon. I'm gonna add that there. I'm gonna do this cute pumpkin half one. I'm gonna put this here because we have a wedding that we need to go to, so I want to do that. Okay, I have an appointment for Liliana, so I'm gonna use this one over here at 8:30, and that is on Tuesday, so I will do that one right in the middle and the top, just like that. We have trash day, recycling trash day. So I do miss my scripts, even though sometimes I don't like them, but I do miss it. So I'm gonna put that there, and then I'm just gonna write in trash day. Okay. On Tuesday is also election day, so I'm gonna put this one up here just to kind of remind me so I can go vote. And I don't know if my sisters and all of us are going together or not. So I'm gonna do this one on Thursdays right here. Candle lit. We just did this to close this off over here, just like that. Oh, that's so cute. Sweater weather for Friday. I think I'm gonna, oh yeah. Oh, I went cricket, but let's see if we can save this. Can we save it? Nope. Okay, we'll just leave it because, oh man. Okay, other than that, there's nothing else going on here. I do have homework. I just don't, I didn't write it down what's all needed for homework, so I still have some kids here. I'm just gonna go through my stickers real quick and just figure out if there's anything else that I need. I'm forgetting all about cleaning day. That is done on Tuesdays. We have payday on Thursdays, so I'll put that right next to that, so it's the first thing we see on Thursday. We do have laundry, and I have a lot of laundry I need to do, so maybe before class I could try to get some of that done in there. Oh, you know what, I have classes again. So let's look for this one on Tuesday. And this is for my business class. And then on Wednesday, I have class again. And Melissa does have church class. Got the C-small at 6 as well. So I just gotta remember to tell my dad to take her. Okay. Okay, this has nothing to do with playing with me here, but I had found, okay, nope, that's too big to set, kind of indicate our, oh, I could add it over here, our 2-year anniversary, but that is too big. But I am gonna add it over here for our wedding day, because it says cake and all that. It's definitely giving more of a wedding, for me it's giving more of a wedding vibe than a birthday. Okay, that's cute, I like that. Okay, that wasn't part of the playing with me, but it's okay. So that one's done. Let's look at planner Kate. I can't forget about early release days on Wednesdays, like that. like I like it, but I feel like it's also very busy and like not well organized. But it could be because I've been so used to the hourly layout that I can't think, and I just feel like everything's clubbed together. Sorry, I'm getting tired. But I think I remember why I opted out from the hourly or from the horizontal to the hourly is because when there's things like this, it's too crowded in one. But we'll see how it goes. I mean, I have my hourly, so I might just plan with that as well, and we'll just kind of go with the flow and see what goes on. But even these I know will work in my hourly because the spacing in this is the same in my hourly ones. So I'm just gonna write email in all the days because that's pretty much what I do as soon as I get into the office. So we will see how this works out for me. I guess we can do on Saturday. Don't really check emails, but I already wrote it in. So I'm not a big fan. But it is my first time, so I'm getting back in the groove and trying to figure out what will work, what will not, right? Like I need a to-do list. Like this is the perfect size for to-do list for work, honestly. So we'll see how I like it. I mean, like I said, I'm just trying it out. Next week I'm gonna use a planner cake kit, so I might like it better. I mean, you never know. Right now this is what I work with the Monster Co, the Coffee Monster Co sticker kit. So yeah, I mean, I like it. It's not bad. It's just I feel like it's not as organized in my head, but we'll see how we enjoyed it. So anyways, thank you guys for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you're new, and once you hit the subscribe button, make sure to hit that notification bell button so you guys get notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.